Have you ever tapped a hole and your threads end up looking like this? We changed the tap to a Yamawa VU series tap, and this is what the holes look like afterwards. What a difference.
Once again, this is a VUSP tap from Yamawa, part of the Z Pro line. This is a forged tap, powdered metal forged tap, and it's forged by Yamawa. They don't outsource the forging, they do it themselves. So they can guarantee the forging, they can guarantee the inspection, the grind, 100% inspected. And if I can cut the hole clean, my tap's going to last longer. And my gauges are going to fit perfectly. So check out Yamawa for performance taps. You will not be disappointed.